Welcome to EA Sports FIFA 07. I'm Clive Tilsley. In the commentary box with me today, Andy Gray.
Well, I'd rather be nowhere else, son, than sat beside you today.
Here we go with the first leg of this cup final, and the home side will fancy their chances. They do really look like a good outfit at the moment. They've got their fans backing. They should get the result that they want, but Andy, you never know.
Yeah, favourites fall every now and again. They are favourites. They should be favourites. I just think they'll be too strong, the home side.
Fabregas does have the ability to beat a man. David Villa, plenty of cover there. One back strongly. And he didn't even trouble the keeper with a header.
Well, that's his first shot of the game, but mark my words, it won't be his last.
Fabregas. Sergio Ramos. David Villa. Stankovic. Picked up at the back. Pantelic. Good control on the chest. Sergio Ramos. Going nowhere fast at the moment. Pablo. Clever little ball inside. Good ball forward. Wasn't frightened to have a go. The ball was on him very, very quickly. It's a sharp chance, no more than that. Easy to get wrong.
Oh, you'll be very disappointed with that one.
That's a free kick. He's managed to get that away to safety. Played away from danger. Xavi. David Villa. Passed it pretty well at times. Oh, the ball's not short of support. Here it comes.
Oh, it's a top draw header. Super defending.
He took care of the danger. It's going to be a throw-in. Still goalless then as we approach half-time. It's Fernando Torres. Never frightened to have a shot.
Well, I'm not surprised he's missed the target there. He really had no space to work in at all.
Here's a good header of the ball. Pablo. He's got it back. Tried his luck. It was a foul. Referee's given a free kick, but is that as far as it goes? Yes, it's a yellow card, and few in the crowd would disagree with that.
I mean, I don't know what his argument is here. It's an absolute certain yellow card when you tackle like that.
It's never going to trouble the keeper, not a great effort.
Well, he did look confident when he was taking the chance, so I'm not surprised it was a poor effort.
Off they go, back to the dressing rooms with the score at 0-0.
Well, it's at times like this when I wish you wouldn't ask me, because it's been pretty poor. Everything's been in the midfield area. Both teams have cancelled each other out. It's been pretty poor, if I'm being absolutely brutally honest. But the one thing I hope that beginning of the second half, if we get a goal, then the game will open up and we'll start to see some football that these two we know can play.
Here's Xavi. Here's Fernando Torres. He missed the target by miles there, high and wide.
I'll tell you what, it was in such a tight corner. I can't believe he got a shot away at all.
Got a real opportunity here. Played in. Dealt with the danger. Decent header. This is Xavi. It's Fernando Torres. Now Raul. Just pouring men forward here. He's put it into the danger area. That's thumped out of the box. Fabregas. Stankovic. parts of the ball. Can he pick out the right man? In the air. This is Fernando Torres. This is Raul. Fabregas. Collected at the back then. Here's Fernando Torres. Having a crack. That's a pretty easy save for the goalkeeper. Downfield from the keeper. Not much in the way of injuries and stoppages, have we? No, just the one added minute. Good header. Pantelic. Possibilities here. 2 or 3 players waiting in the middle. Up and away. Sergio Ramos. Coroman. They finished the night as they started it. Level pegging.
Classic? No, Clive. I'm not sure that's a word we can use to describe this one.